When it comes to fall flavors, pumpkin reigns supreme, and it's no wonder because this fall gourd lends itself to sweet and savory dishes, dinners and desserts, and no holiday feast is complete without a pumpkin pie. So let's dive into 16 of the best pumpkin recipes. All the links to these recipes and more are in the description below, so check them out, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Wake up with the festive fall flavors of recipe number 16, maple pumpkin donuts. Whip up a pumpkin batter, bake in a donut pan, dip your warm donuts in a sweet maple glaze, and sprinkle with pumpkin seeds. These are a great breakfast or brunch treat. Coming in at number 15 is whipped pumpkin pie. It's got all the flavors of your traditional pumpkin pie, but with a light and airy texture. This no-bake dessert has to chill in the refrigerator overnight, so it's the perfect thing to make ahead. Cozy up to recipe number 14, pumpkin soup. Make this next time you're in the mood for a cozy bowl of creamy soup. It's flavored with fresh herbs and pureed in batches for a smooth texture and a rich flavor that will warm your heart. For a fun pumpkin treat, check out recipe number 13, pumpkin whoopie pies. Make a sweet and creamy filling and sandwich it between two tasty spiced pumpkin cookies. These whoopie pies are so festive and so delicious. For another pumpkin dessert, try number 12, pumpkin pie bread pudding. That's right, it's a mashup of two favorites, bread pudding and pumpkin pie. This dish can be served warm or cold, and it's great topped with caramel sauce, whipped cream, or ice cream. Switching gears to a savory recipe, number 11, spicy pumpkin chili. The addition of pumpkin gives this chili recipe a rich and delicious twist that's perfect for a cozy dinner on any night of the week. Garnish with your favorite toppings and enjoy this awesome spicy pumpkin chili. Recipe number 10 is pumpkin parfait. This layered dessert is a great alternative to pumpkin pie, and it's so easy to make. Whip up a pumpkin puree mixture and a cream cheese mixture and layer them with pecans and ginger snaps. The next recipe has the classic flavors of the always trendy pumpkin spice latte. Number 9, pumpkin spice latte bars. These dessert bars are made with a graham cracker crust, coffee cheesecake, and pumpkin cheesecake. Sprinkle on some pumpkin pie spice and you've got a cheesecake bar with all the flavors of a PSL. Number 8 is a savory dish, pumpkin pasta. Pumpkin puree, chicken broth, and some spices make a delicious pasta sauce that's perfect for a fall weeknight dinner. And this recipe will only take you 20 minutes to make. Next up is recipe number 7, pumpkin casserole. Mix up your ingredients, pour it into a casserole dish, and then bake. It's a great side dish for your holiday feast. It pairs well with so many main dishes, and it's so easy. And our number 6 recipe is for pumpkin cream cheese muffins. These muffins are so delicious with their cream cheese filling and streusel topping. Whether you enjoy these muffins for breakfast or just as a snack, you'll be so glad you made them. Coming in at number 5 is Mexican pumpkin empanadas. These empanadas are made with a homemade dough and then stuffed with a spicy pumpkin filling. You can also use pre-made dough and adjust the spices to make this recipe your own. Recipe number 4 is a twist on an Italian classic, pumpkin cannoli. Pumpkin puree is mixed into your traditional cannoli filling with some pumpkin pie spice and piped into cannoli shells for a fun fall dessert. For a tasty pumpkin snack, try recipe number 3, pumpkin hummus. You can use a pre-made hummus or make it from scratch and blend in pumpkin puree and spices. Serve with pita chips, pretzels, graham crackers, or whatever you like. Our number 2 recipe is simply pumpkin pancakes. They're quick, easy, and delicious. Not to mention, they're the perfect breakfast for pumpkin lovers. Serve with warm syrup and butter for one of the best fall breakfasts ever. And finally, the number 1 recipe is Mom's pumpkin pie. It's a family recipe that's rich and delicious with just the right amount of spices. It's the ultimate pumpkin pie recipe for your holiday feast. So there you have it, the top 16 pumpkin recipes. Are you going to try a sweet or savory one? If you've got any other pumpkin ideas, drop them in the comments below. Let us know what you want to see next, and thanks for watching.